Hold on.
Okay guys, hello YouTubers, back at it again. CNC Electronics, sales and repairs and sales, whichever way you guys want to put it. And I'm here with this one. I got this one in for repair, and this is the says model number. This is the Encore1000 professional dual CD Mp3 player. Voltage AC 100 volts to 40 volts, 50 hertz, 60 hertz, dash 50 hertz, dash 60 hertz at 60 watt, 16 watt. And this one is made in China, as you can see, guys. Oh, let me show you right here the model I'm working on and all that stuff. And I already take the cover off, so I'm gonna show the cover what it look like. Well, let me show the front first of this. You could see, yeah, the power button is at the back, yeah, right here. So you could see the power button is right here, and the AC input right here. Okay. So this is what it looked like before I take it apart. Like this. This wheel here, two could spin with a little mini mixer right here, and dual display and stuff, dual CD player. Yeah, I wouldn't really call this a blast from the past, but it's some people would, you know, because you know a lot of people are not using these anymore. You have some guys who get used to these stuff, they keep using them. So yeah, and plus the repair is not gonna be like all that expensive like if I wanted to buy a new one. So I just repaired for them, you know, at a reasonable cost. So okay, what I noticed with this now, by taking it apart earlier, is that the output, balance outputs, let me show you back here, yeah, and it says, let me try to make you guys can see it more properly so you can read it. So yeah, output. These are for the new chicks, as you guys call them. Alright, that area, you have some some swollen caps right in that here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but you can see right here, and it leak on the circuit and stuff like that, the circuit board. But yeah, so okay. So we have about like calling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Plus we have an IC. We have one of these we call them again. Guys, have it out today. Let me get this little magnifying glass just to see if I can. The part number is 4580 JRC. Yeah, those are the regular, what do you call them? I don't remember off the top of my head now. I see. But when I take it apart, it's color coded right here. You have the blue, red, and then you have white, and then you have one with less pin, so you wouldn't make a mistake. So first I'm gonna start by removing the tray, the CD trays. So let me go ahead and unscrew them. Wow. So I can't use this one, as you can see. Yep. can't use a screwdriver, so I have to use another one, which is like this one. So I have 4 screws in each one of these CD trays. 4 screws. Alright. Unplug for the lens. Unplug that. Unplug that. Really? I don't remember unplugging this one. It was unplugged anyway. Alright, so okay. Wow. So now unplug that. This from there. Now I'm gonna use my drill, guys. I'm gonna make a little bit of noise, not so loud. This is the power supply, I think, circuit board. This should be the power supply, I think. Oh yes, guys, as you can see, let me click this here without causing any damage. See, unplugged it. Oh no. So unplug it from there, and this is the power supply. In the power supply, using the power supply, this cap here, 400 volts, 100 microfarad. Or and then you have another one here, it says 400 volts, 47 microfarad. Man, that's high for 400 volts. Wow. Alright, guys. Alright, we're getting there. Something is not adding up here. What is oh wow. So guys, I think I'm gonna have to remove these stumps where the power supply was bolted onto this extension right here. Wow, there are screws at the bottom. I didn't. Wow. Yep, and that was the problem. This thing wasn't coming apart. Yikes. I'm not gonna remove these here because I don't have to do that to remove these caps. These capacitors, we have like guys, let me see if you can see clearly. Let me try to extend this a little bit. Oh wow, that's a max. Wow, can you imagine? Alright, so right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 caps, and they are all swollen. They're puffed, they're blown, they're leaking on the circuit board, and the value on them is 100 UF or 100 microfarad, 16 volts. So I'm gonna replace all 6 of them, plus I'm gonna replace this IC 4580, JRC. I'm gonna replace that also. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just see where 1, 2, see if we can remember where 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go across way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright guys, so they're marked on the other side, so I can just, and all 6 is the same value, so I won't be able to make a mistake. Like, well, it's not impossible, but try not to make a mistake. Alright, so first I put some fresh solder on the legs that make it easier to come out of the circuit board. Okay, that's one out. Two, three, four, five, 6. Okay, come on. Wow. Can you imagine? All along I was using the wrong solder pump, desoldering pump. Can you imagine? Wow. Right. One, two, three, four, five. There's the other one. Okay, guys, so as you can see here, let me see if I want that's really bad. Yeah, this one you could see it's, yeah, it's really messed up really bad. Alright, so for now guys, I'm gonna stop the video and go search for some replacement for these replacement caps, see if I have any in stock, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, CNC Electronics Sales and Repairs and Sales. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thank you guys.